Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video, let us going to discuss 8 and 9 examples in mensuration of 10th class mathematics, right? Friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let us going to the topic. Yeah. See, this is the 8th example in 10th class mensuration. A right triangle whose base and height are 15 centimeters and 20 centimeters respectively is made to revolve about its hypotenuse. Find the volume of the surface area of the double cone so formed. See, given that a right triangle is there, its base is 15 centimeters and height is 20 centimeters. Have given. Next, it is made to revolve about its hypotenuse. Made to revolve about it. BC is the hypotenuse now. So here made to revolve around about its hypotenuse. Find the volume of surface area of the double cone so formed. So if you see textbook itself, the diagram will be confused. So see here, look here, this diagram, then you can easily find, right? Yeah, see right angle triangle ABC is there, right angle is at A, its base is 15 centimeters and height is 20 centimeters. Next, it's revolve about its hypotenuse, then it will formed cone, no, double cone has formed. Suppose see here, this is the right triangle, right? This is the right triangle, see, ABC, right triangle ABC. So it is revolve about its hypotenuse means like this. It hypotenuse na. So it double cone has formed or not, see. It revolve about its hypotenuse. This is right angle triangle. Next it suppose it revolve like this. So what has formed? Another right angle triangle has formed or not? Yes. So it will be represent two cones. This one AC A dash one cone and AB A dash another cone. So we have to find the volume of the double cones and surface area of the double cone we have to find. Understood? Yes, let us do now. See, first ABC is a right angle triangle, no? First find BC. Find BC. This is hypotenuse now? Yes. Given in triangle ABC, actually this is right angle triangle. Right triangle ABC, AB is equal to how much? 15 centimeters and AC is equal to 20 centimeters. Now by Pythagoras principle, here in triangle ABC, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, right? BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. Yes, that is equal to BC square. BC square is equal to AB how much? Yes, AB is equal to 15 square plus AC, yes, 20 square. That is equal to 15 is 225 plus 400. So BC square this is. BC is equal to root of 225 plus 400. Yes, 625. This is BC is equal to 25 centimeters. So how much did you get BC? Yes, 25 centimeters we got. BC is equal to hypotenuse 25 centimeters. Now see here, already first itself I have drawn this one. Yes, here the intersecting point BC and A dash B, suppose O, right? Let take OA as X and OB as Y. Why? Because volume of the cones, no, volume of the cone means what we have to find? Actually what is the formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Actually BC only we know. So we have to find OC and OB also. Next radius also we have to find. OA is the radius now. OA will be radius. So X also we have to find. Let us find. Yeah. Look here. In the figure, let OA is equal to X and OA is equal to X and OB is equal to Y. Let us take like that. Yeah, look here. In two triangles, triangle BOA and triangle AOC. Consider the triangles. Consider the triangle BOA and BAC. BOA and BAC both are right angle triangle only na. Here they intersected right angle, right O. So look here, in these two triangles, angle BOA is equal to angle BAC, isn't it? Angle BOA is equal to angle BAC, right angles, 90 degrees, right? That is equal to 90 degrees. Next, angle ABO. Angle ABO is equal to angle ABC. Angle ABC. This is yes common for both the triangles. Now here, in two triangles, two angles are equal. By AA criteria, two triangles are similar, isn't it? By AA criteria, two triangles are similar. By AA criteria of similarity, triangle BOA is similar to triangle BAC, right? Triangle BOA is similar to triangle BAC. Now, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or not? If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So that's why in two triangles, BO by BA is equal to OA by AC. OA by AC is equal to AB by BC. Right? Here, BO by BA is equal to AO by AC. AO by AC is equal to AB by BC. AB by, here AB is this one, BC is, yes, this one. Understood clearly? Yeah. So BO is equal to how much we have taken? Let BO. OB is equal to Y na? Yes, BO is equal to Y. By BA how much? BA is equal to 15 centimeters. Is equal to OA, what we have taken? X no? OA is equal to X by AC is 20 is equal to AB is equal to, yes, AB is equal to 15 by, this is BC is equal to 20, right? BC is equal to how much? 25. BC is 25, right? So first take this one and this one. Y by 15 is equal to 15 by 25. That implies Y is equal to 15 by 25 into 15, right? Yes, 5 3s are 5 5s are again 5 3s are. So Y is equal to how much we got? Yes, 9 centimeters we got. Y is equal to, Y means this is 9 centimeters we got. Right. Next, in the same way, X by 20 is equal to 15 by 25 take. So that implies X is equal to 15 by 25 into 20. Yes, 4 5 4s are 5 5s are 5 3s are. That is equal to how much? 12 centimeters. Here 12 centimeters. X is equal to how much we got? X is equal to, here this is 12 centimeters we got. Right? Here Y is equal to 9 centimeters and X is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, here ABC is revolved about the hypotenuse, right? So revolved about the hypotenuse, and it is a double cone has formed, shown in the figure. Double cone has formed as shown in the figure, right? Yes. Now volume of the double cone is equal to, yes, volume of the double cone is equal to volume of CAA dash plus volume of BAA dash, right? Volume of CAA dash plus volume of BAA dash. So volume of the double cone is equal to, so it is double cone has formed now. See this one, like that. So double cone has formed, right? Volume of CAA is equal to 1/3 pi r square. What is the volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r square h, right? So 1/3 pi into here radius is how much? Yes, OA square. R square means OA square into height. Height is here OC plus volume of BAA. Here also 1/3 pi r square means here it is also OA square into here height is how much? Yes, OB is the height, BOR OB, right? So from here do. Are you following properly? Yes. So here 1/3 pi OA square do common. See 1/3 pi OA square do common. Next remaining part is here OC plus BO, right? 1/3 pi means here 3.14 into OA how much? Yes, 12 square into OC how much here? OC plus OB will be, yes, BC means 25. Understood clearly? Or write another step? Yes, BC that is equal to 1/3 into 3.14 into this is 12 square is 144 into BC is how much? 25, right? 3 in 144 how many times? Yes, 3 4s are 12. Next 2 3 8s are 24. Now 25 48 multiply. See 48 25s are 25 8s are 200. 200 means 20 is there. 25 4s are 100. 120. So 1200. That is equal to 1200 into 3.14. 314 into 12 do first. 12 4s are 48. 4 12 1s are 12 plus 4 6 16. 1 is there. 12 3s are 36 37. So that is equal to 3768. Here 2 zeros are there, no? 2 zeros put. Next here after the point 2 digits are there, then we have to keep point before 2 digits, that is equal to here. So that is equal to 3768 centimeter cube or square. Yes, volume now centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the double cone. Next what we have to find again? Another one, surface area of the double cone. Surface area means CSA of the double cone. Surface area of the double cone is equal to CSA of CAA dash plus CSA of BAA dash, right? Actually what is the CSA of cone? Pi RL. So which means here pi into radius is, yes, radius is OA into L, this is slant height is, yes, AC, plus here CSA of BAA means pi into, this is also OA into its slant height is 15, right? Yes, do common pi into Pi into OA is how much actually? OA is 12 into AC how much? AC 20 plus pi into OA how much? Is 12 into 15. Yes, this is 12 20s are 240 pi plus 180 pi. So that is how much? 420 pi. 420 into pi means how much? 3.14 now. Substitute now. So 3.14 into 42 do now. 314 into 42. 2 14s are 28, 2 3s are 6, 4 14s are 56, 4 3s are 12. So 8, 8, 1, 3, 1. That is equal to 1, 3, 1, 8, 8. 0 is there. Only with 42 only we have to find. So 0 put. So here after the point 2 digits are there. Before 2 digits we have to keep the point. So keep here. That is equal to 18.8 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the double cone. Surface area of the double cone is 1318.8 centimeter square and volume of the double cone is 3768 centimeter cube. Have you understood clearly? Yes. Okay, ninth example. See, it is very lengthy sum it will be. Yes, a wooden toy rocket is in the shape of cone mounted on cylinder as shown in the adjacent figure. The height of the entire rocket is 26 centimeters while the height of the conical part is 6 centimeters. The base of the conical position has diameter 5 centimeters while the base diameter of the cylindrical portion is 3 centimeters. If the conical portion is to be painted orange and cylindrical portion is to be painted yellow, find the area of the rocket painted with each of these color. Use pi is equal to 3.14. See, very lengthy sum this one. See, a wooden rocket is in the shape of cone mounted on cylinder, right? Yes, here cone has diameter 5 centimeters and height is 6 centimeters as given. Next, the whole height of this toy is 26 centimeters. Then what is the height of the cylinder? Actually here to here. So here to here is 6, total is 26. Then height of the cylinder will be 20 centimeters, right? Next, and also given that the diameter of the base of the cylinder is 3 centimeters also given. Right, so its diameter is 5 centimeters and its diameter is 3 centimeters. Next, the painter wants to paint the conical portion as orange and it will be yellow. So we have to find the area of the rocket painted in each color. So painted orange and painted yellow we should find. Right, let us find. Yeah, see. First, conical portions. Conical portions, let us see. Portions. Diameter is given. Diameter D is equal to 5 centimeters. Next, that implies radius is equal to how much? Yes, radius R is equal to 5 by 2. This is 2.5 centimeters. Right. Next, height is equal to. Height H is equal to 6 centimeters. Now curved surface area of the cone we have to find now. So painted orange means only curved surface area we have to find. So then curved surface area of the cone is pi r L. Here L not given, slant height. Let us find. So slant height L is equal to root of h square plus r square. So L is equal to root of h square. Height how much? 6 square plus r is 2.5 whole square. So that is 36 plus 25. 25 is a 625. 2.5 is a 6.25. Root that is equal to 36 plus 6. Yes, 42.25. So what is the root of 42.25? Actually this is 42 is 6 7s are 42. Then 6. 25 will be root is 5. that will come, right? So that is the shortcut method. So 42 25 means, see here, 4 to 2 5. So 25 means compulsory 5 will come. Next 42 means 6 7s are 42 consecutive numbers. So smallest number is 6. That's why 65 is the root of 42 25. Right? That is, so L is equal to, here square root means 65. So 6.5. Here in square root only one digit will come. Here two digits, no? In square root only one digit. Right? Yeah. So L is equal to 6.5 centimeters. Now area to be painted orange is equal to CSA of the conical portion. CSA of the conical portion, that is equal to CSA of the conical portion is pi RL. Pi means 3.14 only we have to take now, here given 3.14 into radius is how much? Is 2.5 into height is, yes, sorry, L is equal to 6.5 has come. Right? Yeah. 25 60 or 25 with 25 multiply 3.14. 314 into 25. 25 4s are 100, 10 is there, 25 1s are 25 plus 10, 35 3, 25 3s are 75, 78. So before two digits we have to keep the point. Next with so don't put points now. So final, after that we will put points. Next with the 65 also multiply. Right? Yeah. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25 2, 5 8s are 40, 42, 4 is there, 5 7s are 35, 39. Next 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 35, sorry 30, 3 6 8s are 48, 51, 5. Next 6 7s are 42, 47. Right? 0 5 2 0 1 5. 5 1 0 2 5. Yes, that is 5 1 0 2 5 0 has come. Here see, here 2 digits, 1 digit and another digit, totally 4 digits are there after the point. So before the 4 digits we have to keep the point 1 2 3 4. So that is equal to 51.025 centimeter square. So this is area to be painted orange is equal to 51.025 centimeter square. Understood? Yes. Now cylindrical portions, radius how much? Yes, radius is equal to how much? Yes, 1.5 centimeters. Next its height is equal to, yes, height is equal to 20 centimeters. Height is equal to 20 centimeters. Now area to be painted yellow is equal to actually CSA of the cylinder plus area of the circle also is there now. This is the toy. So in the bottom of this toy also we have to paint yellow. So that's why CSA of the cylinder plus area of the circle. CSA of cylinder plus area of the circle. So that is equal to CSA of the cylinder is equal to how much? Yes, 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH plus area of the circle is pi r square. 2 pi RH means 2 into 3.14 into its radius is, yes, 1.5 into height 20 plus pi 3.14 into radius 1.5 into 1.5. So here what is the common? 3.14 into 1.5 do common. 3.14 into 1.5 do common. So remaining 40 here will be 220 is 40 plus yes 1.5. So that is equal to 3.14 into 1.5 into 40 plus 1.5, 41.5. So if you multiply this, you will get the answer 195.465 centimeter square. So this multiply yourself, right? Yes, you will get 195.465 centimeter square. So this is the area of the portion which is painted yellow. Understood clearly? Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.